In this walkthrough, we are going to teach you how to create a storyboard using Assemble's storyboard template. So once you're inside a project, like I am here, just go ahead and open up one of your phases, such as the creative phase here, and then click Add, and then choose Document. From this screen, you're going to have access to all of our community templates. Now, you could very easily start this storyboard from scratch using a blank document, but for the sake of speed and this tutorial, let's go ahead and use our pre-built storyboard template here. So if I click this storyboard template, it's going to open up a quick preview so I can make sure this is exactly what I want. And then just go ahead and click Use Template, and this will now be added to your project as a new document. Now let's quickly walk through the elements of the storyboard. First of all, you're going to have the title. Typically, you could replace this with your production title, but we've also added these widgets below. These are fully customizable. You can delete them, add new ones. But these enable you to add important information such as the production title and production company. Very importantly, you should always include the script version as well as the last date that script version was updated. And then you can include things like the director, storyboard artist, writer, things of that nature. Next, we have the storyboard itself. Now we build out the storyboard in a list format. This enables it to look and feel more like a shot list and be translated more easily to the director, DP, and camera team when they begin planning out that shoot. You can view it here in the condensed view or click these arrows and expand it to a full screen view. Now, within this template, we have a few columns already pre-built. First is the scene, which this will obviously correspond to the scene in the script that you're creating the storyboard for. So in this case, scene 1. Next is the shot, which indicates the camera shots that will happen to cover the scene. Each time the camera cuts or the angle changes, you're going to be moving to a different shot and moving down the storyboard template here. Next is the shot description, and this is just high level what is going to happen in this shot. The fourth column is where you can actually include the imagery. And so if you're working with a storyboard artist, this is a great place to upload the storyboard frames, or maybe they're just visual references that you're working with. Let's go ahead and grab an image here and we'll upload it. And you can see that that image now displays here in the storyboard. Additionally, you can click this image to expand it, which is great if you need to get more detail and see that shot in high res. Next to that, we have the action, which is going to describe the actual action that's happening in the scene. Are the characters moving? Are they walking? Are they fighting? What is the action happening on camera? And then finally, you have the dialogue, which is any spoken dialogue between the characters that's happening in that scene. As you continue working through this storyboard, you can just continue adding your storyboard images, updating the columns within here, and building out the full storyboard for your project. Additionally, this template is fully customizable. So if you want to change any of these columns, delete, or otherwise modify this in any way, you can customize it specifically for your needs. One final feature to know about within the storyboard is the ability to drag and drop to reorder. So you can simply drag and drop rows to reorder them, which can be great if you're still shuffling around the order of your shots in the creative planning. Lastly, once you're ready to share this storyboard out or collaborate with people, come up here, click Share, and choose Share Document Link. This is going to enable you to send this out as a public review link where people outside of your team can access this storyboard, collaborate with you, or leave feedback, all without ever needing to log in or sign up for an Assemble account. And one last tip, if you do update this template to your needs, please remember to come up here, click the 3 dots, and save it as a template to your own personal template library so that you can use your newly updated version on all your future projects.